bit late today, but what our crystal of the day is fluorite. Look at that. This is a fluorite. And I've got many pieces. They come in so many different colours. This is also fluorite. So something like that one will cost you like £10. And one like this, it'll cost you. So if anyone wants one, let me know. I have lots. So fluorite, what can we tell you about it? It's one of the most vibrant and sought after crystals in the world, really. They're often called the most colourful mineral in the world. It's prized by collectors for its geometric perfection and by the industry for its unique chemical properties. I mean, look how vibrant that is. Physical properties and the structure. Fluorite is a calcium fluorite mineral with the chemical formula of CaF-2, and it is famous for its isometric crystal system, meaning it's naturally forms perfect cubes, octahedrons. Not sure I spelled that out. It's quite glass-like, which is how you can tell it. You know, you can practically see through it. Hardness, it defines 4 on the MOH scale. It makes it relatively soft, prone to scratching, so it's rarely used in jewellery that sees daily wear like rings. It has a perfect octahedral cleavage, meaning it can be split in 4 directions to create a double pyramid shape. The phenomenon of fluorescence, the word fluorescence, actually comes from fluorite in 1852. George Gabriel Stokes noticed that certain specimens of fluorite emitted a blue glow when exposed to ultraviolet light. This happens because of the impurities in the crystal lattice. When UV light hits these atoms, it excites, and the electrons, as they drop back to the ground state, they release energy in the form of a visible light. There are a rainbow of colours. Pure fluorite is actually quite colourless. The stunning range of colours we see is caused by various impurities or radiation exposure. The purple, usually caused by the colour centres, missing fluorite atoms in the lattice. The yellow, often due to the presence of rare earth elements. And the green can be used by small amounts of some uranium or iron. Blue, often a result of radiation of specific trace elements. Beyond being a pretty rock, fluorite is a critical industrial mineral. It's used as a flux to lower the melting point of raw materials in steel and aluminium production. High purity fluorite, such as this is very high purity, is used to make lenses for microscopes, telescopes and cameras. It has a very low dispersion, meaning it doesn't distort colours as much as glass does. The chemistry of it is primary source of fluorite, which goes into everything from non-stick Teflon coatings to the fluorite in your toothpaste. That's a bit scary, isn't it? Famous fluorite is the Blue John, which is a rare branded purple and yellow variety found only in Derbyshire in England. Highly prized during the Victorian era for making vases and bowls. Rainbow fluorite, the most common variety, is sold in metaphysical shops, featuring layers of purple, greens, clear bands in a single crystal. There's a lot of common misconceptions on fluorite. A lot of people think that fluorite is amethyst. Well, it's not. Why fluorite contains fluorine, they aren't the same. Fluorine is a highly reactive pale yellow gas that is actually quite dangerous in its pure form. Fluorite, controversially, is a stable, solid mineral. So why fluorite doesn't have a single big myth like diamonds and emeralds? It has left its mark on several cultures. The ancient Chinese, fluorite was highly esteemed and was often used for intricate carvings because it can glow under UV lights, and sometimes even from the heat of the hand. It was associated with the light of the soul. It was believed to provide protection from evil spirits and to promote vivid and lucid dreams. In ancient Rome, the Romans believed that drinking from vessels carved from fluorite, especially the banded varieties, would prevent drunkenness, much like myths surrounding amethyst. They, they prized the fluorspar vases for their scents as well. The resin used to hold the fragile crystals together during carvings supposedly gave off a pleasant aroma when wine was poured in. In the ancient Egypt, fluorite was used to carve scarabs and statues of deities because of its rainbow of colours. It's often used as a physical manifestations of the rainbow, a bridge between the earthly realm and the divine. In modern crystal healing, fluorite is primarily used as a mental vacuum cleaner. It is thought to sweep away confusion, cluttered thoughts, and negativity. It's supposed to give you mental clarity, it's supposed to balance your emotions, give you physical energy, and the meaning of the different colours. So the purple focuses on intuition, physical development, psychic development, and connected to your third eye. The green is linked to your heart, said to help with emotional healing and grounding excess energy. Clear fluorite, used for align all the chakras, bringing a sense of pure energy to the space. The yellow fluorite is associated with creativity, group energy, and sunny disposition. While the folklore and metaphysical uses are fascinating, it is important to remember that these healing properties are not backed by scientific evidence because they can't prove it. I personally believe in its metaphysical mythology because I found that fluorite has helped me many times over the years.